हुए तो लहू क्या है।
ना दे तलवार कर शिकार और बस प्यार की बातें।
वैसे भी बेटी क्या है, वैसे भी बहू क्या है। नफरतें नहीं मिटती, नफरतें नहीं मिटती। गीत गुनगुनाने से, गीत गुनगुनाने से, बाजुओं की ताकत से, बाजुओं की ताकत से। कदमों तले जमाना, कदमों तले जमाना, कदमों तले जमाना।
आधियो तुमने दरख्तों को गिराया होगा, गुल से लिपटी हुई तितली गिरा कर देखो। प्यार वो चीज है फैले तो अमन भी फैले। मिट गई द्वेष की दीवार गिरा कर देखो। बाजुओं की ताकत से, बाजुओं की ताकत से।
देश को बनाना है, देश को बनाना है। नफरतों की बस्ती में, नफरतों की बस्ती में। सुरसरी बहाना है, सुरसरी बहाना है, सुरसरी बहाना है। हमको आता है प्यार पे गुस्सा,
हमको गुस्से पे प्यार आता है।
करना टकरार अब तो बस भी करो।
प्यार की बातों में क्या चाहता है। प्यार से कुछ नहीं हासिल होगा, सबके तलवार से हासिल होगा। दुनिया खून मांगे, वतन मांगे रवानी, वतन मांगे मोहब्बत, वतन मांगे जवानी। वतन से है इनायत, वतन से है मोहब्बत, 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 मोहब्बत। अमन के वास्ते ही, अमन के वास्ते ही। प्यार भी तलवार कभी, प्यार भी तलवार कभी। दुश्मनों के दुश्मन है, दुश्मनों के दुश्मन है। This performance has really allied us to a special part and has taken us to a whole new level. Let me tell you, Nishid, that feelings have no bounds of geography as well as of language.
Yes, you are quite correct. It hardly matters in which language, feelings and happiness are expressed, as everyone can sense the expression of happiness. Just like our next performance, which is reflecting Bengali expressions in the sweet rhythm of Indian language.
अपने प्रिय पात्र के आगमन से उत्पन्न प्रसन्न সংস্কৃতির চিত্র অঙ্কনের নির্মিত প্রস্তুতি হচ্ছে একটা বাংলা নৃত্য।
ঝুনঝুনমানা নাচো না, কাঠই কাঠই নাচো না, বুলবুল পাখি গাও না, গুনগুন গুনগুন গাও না, দুঃখী না গো বহো না, শাসন শাসন বহো না, মোর প্রিয়া ঘরে আজ এসেছে। ঝুনঝুনমানা নাচো না, কাঠই কাঠই নাচো না, বুলবুল পাখি গাও না, গুনগুন গুনগুন গাও না, দুঃখী না গো বহো না, শাসন শাসন বহো না, মোর প্রিয়া ঘরে আজ এসেছে।
Yes, blending sweet melody with rhythm is possible in Bengali only.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Abhijit
And myself, Arzu.
of Standard 11th. And now we will accompany you in this pleasant journey.
Well, music is the language of spirit. It opens the life-bringing peace and abolishing strife because where word fails, music speaks.
So, ladies and gentlemen, दिल थाम कर बैठे क्योंकि अब बारी है उन कलाकारों की जिनकी नाजुक उंगलियां साजों पर थिरकती है और हमारे मन प्राणों को झंकृत करती है. So let's call upon the stage our iridescent performers who are going to illuminate the stage with their magical instruments.
Blend. दोस्तों,
हम ख्यालों में जो महल बनाते हैं, बस ज़रूरत होती है उनके नीचे कुछ ईंटें नींव की रखने की। और कुछ इसी कोशिश के साथ हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर श्री प्रमोद कुमार जी पेश करने वाले हैं एनुअल रिपोर्ट फॉर द सेशन। सो आई वेलकम आवर प्रिंसिपल सर टू प्लीज कम अप एंड प्रेजेंट द एनुअल रिपोर्ट।
नहीं ये नहीं तो चेहरा जला रहा है। अच्छा ठीक है।
Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Subhas Gokhale Sir, Madam Gokhale, Guest of Honor Sri S.N. Tiwari Sir, Mrs. Tiwari Ma'am, and all the distinguished guests, members of School Managing Committee, media persons, parents, alumni of school, and dear students. On behalf of the school, I extend you a red carpet welcome on this 7th annual day celebration of our school. It delights me to share with you a brief report on the activities, major achievements, and progress made by the school in different fields during the year 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, our school is a CBSE affiliated school up to plus 2 level with science and commerce stream in senior secondary classes. Over the year, the school has gained from strength to strength, and presently we run the school with a total strength of 1501 students. Due to infrastructure constraints, the school runs in two shifts, from class 7 to 12 in morning shift and from LKG to class 6 in the day shift, whose educare is taken by 60 qualified teachers, ably supported by 29 teaching staff. Div Avam Virat. Divine and vast is the Opijandal School's vision of the boundless human personality and its boundless creative potential. It forms the core of our work, philosophy, and culture. Our endeavors are geared to the realization of the ideal of making it possible for the children entrusted to our care and to release the well springs of creativity. We stop at nothing to ensure that our children do and achieve the best possible in everything they undertake, curricular, co-curricular, and extracurricular. To begin at the beginning, that is with the academics for the session 2012-13, our school has accorded the assiduous nurturing and fostering of the undercurrent of creativity in young minds. In AISSE 2013, that is standard 10th board examination, our student achieved 100% result. Master Anuj Kumar got 10 CGP out of 10. Other 10 students got A1 grade. We feel extremely elated at the performance of our student in AISSC 2013 and their numerous achievements in the field of academic. Total number of students appeared in science stream was 117, out of which 84 students were placed in first division. In commerce stream, 25 students appeared, out of which 24 students got through with first division. Nisha Kumari emerged the school topper in commerce by obtaining 90.8%, while Pammi Kumari and Nikhil Kashyap added color to a sparkle by chipping in with second and third rank by obtaining 90.6 and 90.2%. In science, Rakshita got 86.8%, Naresh Maharana 86%, Sikha Kumari Sahu and Sweta Kumari both got 84.4% and made the school feel proud. The marks obtained by the students in AISSCE 2013 have given a new glow to the average marks of the school. Previous year, the school's average marks was 61%, but this year there is an increase of 8%, that is the average marks has raised from 61 to 69%. The CBSE has instituted a special merit certificate which is awarded to only 0.1 top performers, that is only to 500 students from all over the country. I am happy to tell you that two of our students, Chandani Kumari and Nikki Priya, have bagged it for their outstanding performance in physical education. Heartiest congratulations to the students and the concerned teacher. The year also saw some of our students getting admission to well-known institutes and universities. Priyesh Mishra is pursuing his higher studies at Delhi University, Nikhil Kashyap Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata, Pammi Kumari Regional College of Education, NCRT, Bhubaneswar, Shikha Kumari Lovely Professional University, Punjab, Naresh Maharan Engineering College, Orissa, Samreena GH Rai Soni College, Nagpur, and many more. 7 students of our school have paved their way to a great success by cracking the IIT mains with their relentless effort. I wish all the students even more grand success in the days to come and be the worthy brand ambassador of this school wherever they may be. Now, about Olympiads and different competitions. Ladies and gentlemen, in Kokalur area, we continued scaling ever great heights in almost all aspects. Olympiad, quizzes, exhibition, music and others. These activities are undertaken round the year and open for participation by all. One of our star students, Diksha Roy, of class 3, has brought the supreme honor to the school by securing ninth position in the International Science Olympiad held on 17th February 2013. I request you to give a round of applause for getting ninth international rank by a small kid. At the international level, Silver Zone Science Olympiad, 90 students participated, out of which 13 students got gold medal, 5 students got silver medal, and 4 students got bronze medal. Ujjwal Kumar and Bhavya Arnav brought us glory by becoming the state topper. Aditya Pratap, Atul Arohi, Vaismati Tiwari, and Diksha Roy have added another feather in our cap by winning gold medal in National Talent Search Contest and Britannia Contest GK Quiz. Our students have had the flair to produce fantastic results in the past. This year also 15th Science Olympiad Foundation was conducted in which 13 students have won gold medal with their widely acclaimed masterly papers and have added fame to our school. As a matter of pride, Chandni Kumari, Himanshu Nischal and Yogesh Kumar have qualified in the CBSE National Eligibility Entrance Test and have brought honor to the school. A huge array of inter-school competitions participated by 6 schools of Ramgarh district marked the 83rd birth anniversary of our beloved Babuji, where our student did us extremely proud. In Hindi essay writing competition, Amit Kumar of class 12 won the first prize. In debate competition, Asmita Kumari of 12 got the first prize, and in group patriotic song competition, again our school bagged the first prize. O.P. Jindal School Patratu is registered to the United Nations Organization of India and has got the UNESCO membership certificate. Our achievements have served to reinforce our resolve to continue with our endeavor to provide our students ever greater opportunities to widen their creative horizon. Now related to a sports event. Ladies and gentlemen, the importance of games and sports in today's world cannot be undermined. We also know that a healthy body houses a healthy mind. Hence, I would like to highlight some of our achievements in games and sports, which are as follows. Our school had the privilege of hosting CBSE East Zone Cluster 2 Kho-Kho tournament, which was held from 22nd October to 24th October 2013 in our school ground. It was a mega event in which 27 teams participated from Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal. In this tournament, our boys team emerged runners and the girls team emerged runners-up and make us proud. Arun Kumar of 12A was declared the best player of the tournament. Our boys Kho-Kho team qualified for the national level tournament and took great strides in the world of game and sports. At the nationals held at Chennai from 10th December to 14th December, our team, ladies and gentlemen, you can see 36 teams from India and abroad, they participated and our team got the 6th rank. So a round of applause, I will request you all for that. Sixth position, congratulations to the players and the team manager. Intra JSPL volleyball tournament was played at our school's ground on the occasion of Babuji's birth anniversary celebrations, in which 6 teams participated in a nail-biting finish. The young chaps of our school emerged runners-up whereas Vikas Kumar of Philadelphia was declared the best player of the tournament. Inter-school Ramgarh district karate competition was held in September, in which our school was declared the overall champion. 23 students received medals and certificates. 14 students were selected for the national level karate competition. Sahil Kumar of 8C bagged a gold medal and Parag Saurabh of 12 bagged a bronze medal. Sahil Kumar has been selected to play at the international level. Kudos to Sahil. In under 19, in under 19 Ramgarh district Kho tournament, our boys team played wonderfully and bagged the second position. The functions and celebrations, the school organizes CCA round the year. The year-long CCA calendar as well as test schedule are given in advance in the students' school diary. Four houses of the school, Nehru, Raman, Ramanujam and Tagore, conduct the activities with the help of associate teachers and house captains. Functions are celebrated and important days are observed with the active participation of houses. Some of these were the Punyatithi of Babuji Sri Upajandal was observed on 31st March. Students and teachers paid rich floral tribute to him. 7th August was marked by Babuji's 83rd birth anniversary celebration. At a grand level, JSPL organized a photo gallery to showcase the life and work of Babuji. The school also arranged a series of programs including floral tribute to Babuji, speeches and intra-JSPL volleyball tournament. On 15th August, the national flag was hosted by the plant head Sri Suhas Gokhale. The students of different houses presented a march past, which was followed by a variety of cultural programs based on the patriotic theme. The school organized parent-teacher meet on several dates, especially our completion of every formative assessment. On the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the school remembered this great Indian leader and celebrated Children's Day. Various programs were performed and sweets were distributed. To create awareness about the transmission and prevention of the deadly disease AIDS, a series of events were organized on 1st December, which is celebrated as World AIDS Day. Across the world, a Nukkad Natak was organized by CSR team JSPL. We place our sincere thanks to the team led by CSR head. 7th December was celebrated as Flag Day, in which speeches were delivered, giving importance of the tricolor and the rules and regulations of hosting the national flag were explained to the children. Annual Science, Art and Craft exhibition was held on 24th December. There were more than 200 models exhibited by the students of all the departments like physics, chemistry, biology, math, social science, computer, art and craft. Mr. S.N. Tiwari, Mr. S.P. Verma, Major Manish and other dignitaries encouraged the students by observing the models with full interest. The whole event proved to be a huge success in bringing out all the creativity and inquisitiveness of the children. Now workshops and seminars and trainings. Teachers and students are always encouraged to attend the various training programs, seminars, workshops organized by CBSE and other reputed organizations. A very interesting and absorbing leaders empowerment program organized by LEAD was held at Raigarh from 29th April to 2nd May 2013, in which the school team of 18 teachers actively participated. The program was inaugurated by our Honorable Chairman Mr. Naveen Jintalji. One of our teachers, Mrs. Deepika Kumari, had an opportunity to attend a pre-commissioned training course at Officers Training Academy, Dehradun, Gwalior from 20th August to 9th November 2013 and was awarded with the certificate of Associate NCC Officer. Our four teachers, Mr. V.D. Chaudhary, Mr. Subra Sinha, Mr. Rajesh Singh and Mr. Vikas Chandra attended a one-day seminar on English language and literature organized by Oxford Press held at Oxford Public School, Ranchi. Mr. Praveen Prasad, our physical education teacher, was appointed as technical judge for the national level Kho-Kho championship of DAV organization. First Sopan and second Sopan camp was organized by the scouts and guides in our school from 25th November to 30th November, in which the school team of 94 students attended the camp under the supervision of Mr. Suraj Kumar, DOC, Ramgarh. Our school management is keen to emphasize the importance of regular workshops, training programs and seminars for the teachers as well as the students to make them aware of updated skills and involving them in a worthwhile task. Some philanthropic activities, social connecting programs. Axis Bank Ramgarh organized a splash painting competition for the students of our school. The initiative was aimed at giving the children wings to their imagination. In November, the school observed Communal Harmony Week as